Pag sinuntukan mo, matas ka talaga.
Hindi yung
Wala namang ganyan sa...
Matras to.
Wala namang kanta. Walang kanta. Entrance lang. Speech.
Matras to.
Ganyan na ginawa ng podcast. Walang ganyan sa speech.
You and I, we, the sovereign Filipino people, imploring the aid of Almighty God in order to build a just, humane society and establish
A government,
that shall embody
our ideals and aspirations,
promote the common good, conserve and develop
our patrimony,
and secure to ourselves
and our posterity
the blessings
of
independence and democracy under the rule of law,
regime of truth, justice,
freedom, love, equity, and peace,
and to ordain and promulgate this
Constitution, the preamble of 1987.
Okay.